Welcome to my vlog! Yup. Oh, Tin Maya. Where are you? Show the guys. May Christmas present yung amo ko. Siya yun daw yung mag-open. What is that? It's okay.
Give the scissors.
It's okay. Just tear it apart. Oh, wow. Is a...
It's a apple.
I think it's what they call is oh, Santa. Wow, letters for Santa.
Huh?
You see, letters for Santa. The letters for Santa.
Oh, I think this is a garbage.
No, it's like a litter box. Like you can ask Santa wish. Wow, guys, bigay ng amo ko. What is inside? It's a biscuit! Gingerbread biscuit. Wow. Thank you, madam, sir, from the UK. Tapos binigyan si Kakash ng
Guys,
book.
please don't see mine. Like the.
Binigyan siya ng book. Kasi yung amo ko, guys, ano siya, author siya, author siya ng mga books. Short story book. Ayan o. Meron siyang signature. Yan, amo ko yan sa Binjay.
Okay, I want to eat this biscuit.
And meron siyang signature from the author itself. And no, happy reading, Mr. Roger. Yeah, by August Moon. The Malaysian Squirrel. Ayan o.
Wow!
Don't, you put it here if you cannot finish, okay? So it won't.
I want to do the school.
Oh.
Wow. Okay, close.
Ang ganda niya. Nice. So, ayun, yung kanyang, ito, birthday present na kay Cash. Kasi birthday ni Cash bukas, December 19. Ayan. Meron siyang binigay yung first book. Kasi pangalawang na to eh. Pangalawang labas na nito. Tapos binigyan din yan si Kakas last year ng yung first book niya ni Sir. Ano siya, dati yun siya, business writer. Ngayon, tapos nung nag-retire siya, nag-switch siya sa sa paggagawa ng short story. Ayan. Kung may mga anak niya dyan, bili na kayo.